walk you quickly through what we did here. Pantry cabinet, push-to-open handless system with shelves, adjustable Lego box system with ladder system. All of them can adjust. Push-to-open buttons. Dividers on the top. Push-to-open door but has double functionality. It also overlaps bottom of the kitchen. So it hangs down below the bottom by 3/4 of an inch. Lift up doors. We adjust them so they stay where we live. That's the proper functionality. Also notice it's integrated hood with additional shelves on side so you can use it for storage. Soft close. LED lights, touch to turn on, and a dimmer. Push to open Lego box drawers with hidden drawers and organizers. These organizers were specifically built for Lego box system called embodies. As you can see, you have cooktop, it's in set, and we just have a couple inches between the depth of the drawer box and bottom of the cooktop. If you look to the island, we got organizers, hidden drawers, all push to open, very clean design, no handles. Organizers for your utensils and spatulas. Very efficient. The entire island is designed with 3 cabinets, 2 drawer functionality, plus a hidden drawer inside of each top unit. Take a look at the seating area for the island. This is tabletop height, and this is standard countertop height. The difference is 4.5 inches. This is a trash unit, push to open, and we always integrate hidden drawer box. This is where you keep your bags. Pantry system with push to open doors. That's where you can keep all your items. And the bottom always gets adjustable Lego box drawer system. Here, if you look at this, this is fully concealed pantry room. So we designed it so it's made out of same finish as the cabinetry, appliance handle, and your hidden entry into pantry room. Finished all in the same finish as the doors. All soft close, looks just like a cabinet. This unit here, this is a huge Casablanca spice rack. Lots of spices, all soft close. And the best part that I personally love is the wine rack. So it's set up for 12 best bottles you can get.